Hi guys, welcome back to Cloud and DevOps channel. Guys, in today's session we are seeing that how to configure Kubernetes on Alma Linux or Rocky Linux 9.4. You can choose any one guys. Even you can take that RedHat 9.4 or Alma Linux 9.4 or Rocky Linux 9.4. So in my case, I am choosing that Alma Linux 9.4 version. Okay, guys. Yes. So now we are going to configuring Kubernetes on premises. Okay, guys. Yes, I have chosen four plus one. I mean that one plus four. So one is the master mission, four node missions. Total I have taken five node missions. So complete five servers. But guys, keep in mind you should reach at least a minimum 2 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM, and at least two processors for Kubernetes master. Okay, guys. Yes, what is it? LSCPU. See, guys. So here I have taken two CPUs. I have taken two CPUs and another one free space iPhone H. See, guys, I have taken 2 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM and two processors. You must reach these two. Otherwise, you can't configure Kubernetes master and Kubernetes cluster. First of all, you can't set up master node. Okay, okay, guys. Now I have connected to Super Putty. See, 167 is the master mission, 68 node 1, 69 node 2, 170 node 3, and 171 worker node 4, cube node 7, cube node 4, cube node 3, cube node 2, cube node 1, and master mission. Just name the one by one. Okay, guys. And here I have prepared the complete documentation for each and every one. Okay. So these are my node details and controller node details. Okay. Now we are going to updating the server and we are going to installing VM tar wget make and unzip commands. Okay. Yes. We have to install in all missions. I'm going to install in all missions. Yes, wait, guys. So update is nothing. Now we are going to install in wget tar make and unzip in all missions. Every mission should be updated. In the next scenario, we'll see how to configure Kubernetes on AWS. Okay, cloud. Now this one is over. The master mission we have installed. Now we are going to naming the server. Yes, this is enough. It won't work here. In the master mission. Now you can set that host name. So first of all, let me increase some font size. If you have seen small size. I have connected to Super Putty for using multiple tabs in single window with multiple nodes. Okay, guys. Now, so just now we named the server for Kubernetes controller. Next, node 1, take this one. It's node 2. Guys, I'll upload this document into my GitHub repository. You can you can get this from my GitHub repository. Sorry, let me have an edit. Yes. Now, yes, you can apply in all machines. Host name, yes, node 3, and the host name. Yes, node 4. We have configured host name for all missions. So 5 missions. One is controller and 4 node missions. Now, so these are my IP addresses. Okay, we need to add this all in all missions. Okay, yes guys. Now, pm/etc hosts in all missions you have to add this one. Next, pm/etc hosts. I'm adding node 1. Now I'm moving to node 2. pam/etc hosts. Sorry, spelling mistake. Next, pam/etc hosts. Next one, node 4. So this is the local DNS configuration. Domain to host to domain. Okay, guys. Now, if you want to check this one, okay, are these servers are in talking together or not to communicate each other? Are this mission communicating each other? Yes, just I'm thinking in the master mission. Okay, yes. I have given that 5 bits. Successfully it's received. That means the servers are in network. Okay, next one. So here we are going to swap apping. Okay, and in the etc step also permanently we are going to swap apping permanently. For SC Linux also we are going to enforcing. I mean that permissive. Instead of enforcing permissive, we can disable also. You can enter into this file and just apply that disable also permanently. Okay, but whenever you reboot your Kubernetes, okay, you have to apply this command once again because it's a temporary. It's a temporary. Okay, now take this and you have to test in all servers. So all servers mean including controller plus node. Okay, just take this one. Just copy this one. Yes, now you have to apply in all missions. How many were taking for Kubernetes cluster configuration? We are going to configuring multi-node cluster. Okay. Now in the master mission only, in the master or controller, the master or in the controller server only. Let's copy this one. So for output we will get like this success. Okay. So now here what we are doing, we are going to adding port numbers permanently. Okay, 64432379 like this. Yes, we are going to adding all these port numbers in the controller node. Copy this one and paste it. Be careful, guys. You, oh, sorry, I did mistake. I did mistake. I have applied in the controller mode. Okay, okay. Just uh, we'll see that. Okay, just copy this one. Okay, this is the master mission. We'll see what will happen next. Okay, next. So in these all are in, these all are in all worker nodes. All worker nodes. Copy this one. If you have that root privileges, you need not to take that sudo. If you don't have sudo privileges, sorry, if you don't have that root privileges, you can take that sudo command. Okay. Yes, in all worker nodes. But already we have added here. We'll see what will happen. So already, okay, added. So we will remove that one. Okay, we'll see that first. Okay, we'll continue with these port numbers also. Okay, next, this command in all missions. Including Kubernetes controller. Yes. Okay. Now we are in controller. Now, so in all nodes, in all nodes. Okay. Yes, this one also. In all nodes. All servers. Command and only controller server. These are the important things. So after here in all, yes, here. So so we have finished this one. Now this one also over, I think. Yes. Let me check. Okay. Overlay and bridge network. This one over. Now we are going to apply this one. Apply this one. In all missions, guys. Just I'm copy and pasting and come here. Okay, next. In all missions. Just copy this one. Okay. At present, we don't have this file. Second, we don't have this file. Let me show you. So first, come here, take this one. At present, we don't have CD. Okay, guys. Here we don't have that P8 file. Now what we are doing? We are going to creating that file. Okay. Yes. Copy this one in all missions. Now you can see we got one file. Okay. Next, in all missions. Okay. Now we have it. Now guys, we are going to installing Docker Community Edition. We are going to installing Docker Community Edition container.containerd.io. Okay. Then we are going to enabling this. Okay. Let's copy this one first. In all missions. So now we have installed this one. Now we are going to enabling this one in all missions. Starting, enabling, and checking the status. Now it's going to install in container D. Please wait for a while. Please wait, guys. It will take some time. So you don't disturb here. It's working backend. It depends on configuration given RAM, processor, and hard disk read and write, and network speed. Yes, right, guys. Don't disturb here. So better to apply one after one. Okay. So it will take very less time. Okay, guys. Successfully we have installed. Okay. Yes. Node 1 over, node 2 over, node 3 also over, node 4 also over. Almost in all missions we have installed. Next one. Okay. Now we are going to setting the default container D in the configuration file, and we are going to starting the service. Okay, restarting, enabling, and checking the status in all missions. So yes, it's working fine. Container restarted. It's working fine in all missions. Now, okay. So now what we are doing? We are going to add in Kubernetes repo. Kubernetes repo with the version 1.29 version. Kubernetes version 1.29. Take this one and add in all missions. Yes. Just copy and paste. Sorry. Now. Okay. Now in all missions, now we are going to install in kubelet, kubeadm, and kubectl. Okay. Yes. Copy this one. Yes. Sorry. I'm going to installing in all machines. Here also it will take some time. Please wait. Yes. Yes. Almost done. Okay. Apply Control C. Next. Control C. Now in the controller machine only. In the controller machine only. Yes. Here. Whatever you have specified the name, whatever you have given the name to controller server. Okay, yes, here take that post name. This is the original name. Take this one and copy and come here, paste here. Okay. Now we are going to initiating control plane endpoint in the Kubernetes controller only. We are taking one controller and we are taking four worker nodes. So you have to execute this command in the only controller node only. Okay, let's copy this one and be in the controller node. Just apply that. Just wait. Now we are going to pulling that Kuberium config image from Docker Hub to local. Just wait, guys. So it will give us one token. Then take the token and add into all worker nodes. Yes, guys. This is the token. Just take this one, copy this one, and move to in all worker nodes one by one. Here only we can see that if everything is success, we can see suggested command kubectl get nodes in the controller server. Yes, guys. Now it's saying that yes, now you can apply the command kubectl get nodes in the controller node, but we can't get it. We need to apply some more commands in the controller node. After applying that controller node, those commands we can see this command kubectl get nodes. Okay. Now guys, this one is over. Now what we are doing, we are going to creating one kube config directly inside the dot cube in the home. We are moving this one already. This is the file. Now we are moving to renaming and moving to dot cube slash config. Okay, just copy this one. Just copy this one. And here we are going to take in that networking calico calico.yml. Okay, those are the network related. Yes, apply in the control node. Only control node. Yes, wait, guys. Yes, that's enough. Now you can apply that kubectl get nodes. Okay, guys, those are not ready, and just wait for some time. So maybe it will take 60 to 70 seconds time. Okay, hardly it will take 60 to 70 seconds. Okay, see guys, this is the controller node, and here we are having 4 nodes. Now just you can apply the command once again. See, no one are ready. Okay, just wait guys. See, node 3 is ready. Okay, now node 2 also ready. All are ready. Kubernetes environment is ready to deploy your containerized applications. Okay guys, that's all in this session. Next we will see okay how to execute and how we can deploy the applications and how we can create a pod. Okay, so what is a pod? Okay, how it works? What is a container inside the pod? How we can create pod and how we can execute the application in the pod. Okay, in the next session we'll see guys, and we'll see that the Kubernetes architecture also how it works. Okay, what is the control plane and what is the TTTC. Okay, and what is the worker node and what are the responsibilities of controller and what are the responsibilities of worker node. We'll see in the next session guys. Okay, okay, thank you.